How it works, Stirling engine. A Stirling engine is a heat engine that operates by cyclic compression and expansion of air or other gas. The working fluid at different temperatures, such there is a net conversion of heat energy to mechanical work. From Wiki.
Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today's video will be a short demonstration of working of Stirling engine. Here I have 3 different Stirling engines. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, but before testing I need to put a new belt. I missed the belt that need to be connected with this wheel and the small DC motor that is acting like a generator. Let's put new belt. I'm finished. I fill up the burning container with 100% alcohol. Let's light up. Whoa! You can't see it, but it's burning for sure. Placing right here. Leave it for about 1 minute to heat up. It's moving. Look. By itself. Giving a push. Yep, it's working. You can't see it, but it's working. Little bit more. Now I'm gonna give a small push. And it's working! A small Stirling engine. And the belt came out. Need to place it one more time. That means that this belt is not for this guy. Okay, placing it. Okay. Giving a push. Once again. Why, man? I found the problem. Second try. Yes. Now it's good. working great, and I love these small machines. It's a little bit noisy, but what I can do. Here is my multimeter, and I'm gonna attach the probes very carefully here and here. And yes, we got 3.6 volts, just to prove that it's working. 0 volts. Start the engine. This is good. You can hook up a light bulb and the light bulb will light. I'm gonna take the flame. Okay. It's gonna work for a while without flame, and stop. Stop. That was all for today's video. I hope you like it. Share it and see you in the next time.